In this problem, we are trying to figure out what are the solutions to the equation y minus 1 equals negative 3 times quantity x plus 2. The easiest strategy to do is to make sure that it's in slope-intercept form, which it's not. So we need to distribute first, and we are left with y minus 1 equals negative 3x minus 6. From there, we have to undo minus 1 by adding 1 to both sides, lining it up underneath the negative 6 because those are technically like terms. So then we have y equals negative 6 minus 5. Now to figure out which of the points are solutions, you plug in both the x and y statement. So we have x and y, and plug that into our equation that we just simplified. So our y is negative 29, our x is positive 8. Now simplify the right hand side. Negative 3 times 8 minus 5 is indeed negative 29. So read the statement out loud. Does negative 29 really equal negative 29? Yes, that's a true statement. So if we were to graph the point 8 comma negative 29, it would fall on the line y equals negative 3x minus 5. We do the same thing for negative 2 comma negative 11. Y equals negative 3x minus 5. Plug in our negative 11 for our y, and plug in our negative 2 for our x. When you simplify the right hand side, you should get 1. Now does negative 11 equal 1? No, that's a false statement. So if you were to graph the line, negative 2 comma negative 11 would not be on that line. Now to create your own point that would be a solution, the easiest way to do that is to pick an x, any x that you want, and use the equation that we found earlier. So I want to pick x equals 2. So I'm just going to plug in 2 where I see an x, and then negative 3 times 2 minus 5 gets me negative 11. So that's my y value. To make an ordered pair, x comma y, we use the x that I chose and then the y that was solved for. So 2 comma negative 11 would be on the line if I were to graph the line.